Hi guys, welcome back to the course, and in this video we will validate the form values submitted by the user. So the name should be at least 3 characters, the email should be unique, the password and confirm password should be same, and the password and confirm password should at least be 5 characters long. So to do these validations, let's go to brackets and go to the top of the page, and inside this if, create another if, and this if will actually check the length of the name submitted by the user. So we will use the string len function, which is built in PHP. So we will pass it $_ post name less than 3. If the length of the name is submitted by the user is less than 3, then do this. And now we will actually redirect the user to the same page, and we will also send the error message with the redirect. So register.php, and to add a get variable, we are actually sending the error message using the get variable. So to create a get variable, we will use this question mark here. So error equals to concatenate. This dot is actually used to concatenate two strings or two data types. So we will use the error message will be the name must be at least 3 characters long, and one more line. So here let's do one more thing. Let's URL encode this. URL encode actually makes a string safe for use in the URL, so that it cannot cause any sort of URL problems. So let's go ahead and view that in the browser. So refresh the page and enter a name which is less than 3 characters. So it should display an error message. Enter an email 123 123. Why we are not seeing the error message? You can see that the error message has been appended to the URL, but we are not able to see the error message. Why it's not happening? Oh, we actually did not add the div to display the error message. So where is it? Yes, below the title of the form, let's add a div. The class of the div will be alert. Actually, alert and alert classes are used to create the error messages and show any sort of information to the user in Bootstrap. So alert danger, this will make the error message red. So we will start a PHP block inside this div. So we will simply echo out the error message. So we use the get method to send the error message to the URL. So we will use the get $get, and the name was, I think, ERR, and we want to add an if before this div, because we don't want to display the error message every time. We want to display the error message if the we did not start the PHP tag. PHP if is set $_get error, we are simply saying that if the error message, the URL contains the error message, then show this div with the error message. Otherwise, don't do this. So let's close the let's close out this bracket and save it. And now if we submit this form again, we are able to see the error message. The name must be at least 3 characters long. Now let's go and let's check if then we make the name 3 characters. The error message is still here. Why is that? Let's see what's the problem. So I found the problem. The problem is actually that we did not set the action URL. So the action URL is actually register.php. If we do not set the action URL, the page sends the form data to the same URL, which is the error URL. So that's why we are seeing this error. So now it should be fine. Why it's still register.php. Save it. Now refresh it. No, don't refresh. Now you can see that the error message is gone. So now let's validate the password and confirm password fields. So add an else if $_post password not equals to $_post confirm password then do this. We'll actually do the pretty much the same thing. We just need to change the error message. So change the error message. The error message is this time the password and confirm password do not match. So let's go ahead and change the password so that it does not match this password. So now if we submit, you can see that we are able to see the error message. The password and confirm password do not match. So let's validate one more thing. Actually, two more things. The first one is the password. We want to make sure that the length of the password is at least 5 characters. So if password is less, we actually have to enclose this inside the strlen function. Now we are good to go. Is less than 5 characters. If the password is less than 5 characters, copy these 2 lines. You just need to change the error message. The password should be at least 5 characters. So let's go ahead and submit this form. Password and confirm password do not match. Okay, I got the problem, because this message is showing up because this else if is before this one. So if we fix this error and now if we submit, the password should be at least 5 characters. So it's doing it. So now let's create another else if for the confirm password, because the confirm password should also be at least 5 characters. So let's confirm underscore password. So let's go ahead. Actually it is showing the password should be at least 5 characters, because I already told you that actually this error message is coming before this one, that's why it's showing this one. So I think that's it for this video, and in the next video we will check this email address for the uniqueness, because email address should be unique for every user. So stay tuned.